Good day, my viewers all over the world. Thank you very much for following me. Thank you for being my YouTube channel. And for those who have subscribed, please tell others to subscribe so that they can also enjoy what you are enjoying in my channel. So today we're talking about mathematics and other mathematics. We want to continue on our set theory. So under this set theory, I'll be talking about the Venn diagram. The Venn diagram. So Mr. Venn made use of two shapes to explain Venn diagram, and he made use of rectangle and we also have circle. Rectangle and circle. And he says that once you draw this, the what you should have at the edge here should be what? The universal set. Because we have the box, which is the rectangle, containing all other subsets. You know, I told you universal set is a set of all integers, set of everything. You find all the numbers there, you find all alphabets depending on the context in which you are working with. So that's what they call the universal set. So this up will give us information on the what? The universal set. Everything here. By the time you sum it together, it must give you universal set. In that sense, circle stands for a subset. A circle stands for a subset. So he now said that a circle can join with another circle by the way we have here. Let's see this one. Joining with this. If this circle join together, you say at this point is the point of what? Intersection. Intersection. Because this is where they join, where they meet. It's called the point of intersection. Then outside the circle is called only of that subset. Let's assume that this is A and this is B. This only is just this remaining part. You know, you have taken part of that circle to form a joint with this circle. So the remaining only is for this B. Same thing applies to this A. The remaining part from here to this place is only. Because that will normally give students problem when they are solving. If you have more than one circle, maybe you have two, three, let's say I have three circles, the third circle can come here. They will join at the center. That is the point of intersection. And at times, they may not even join. Maybe the information supply, one can stay on its own, another can stay on its own. That one, there is no intersection between the two. Let me just draw it for clarity. Let's say I have this Venn diagram. I have one box. Then I can have another box. I can even have another box. So if you can now sit down, like these three now, there is no intersection among the three. No intersection. They are not touching themselves. But if you add everything together, it must give you the universal set. This is a subset. Let's say subset A, subset B, subset C. It's either they join together, they have something in common that we call intersection, or they don't. And if they don't have things in common, it means that A and B, if you say A intersection B, is what? It's a nonsense because they don't have anything in common. No intersection between them. For intersection, it's a nonsense. But for union, they can come together. It means whatever they have together. But let me just give us an example to work on. Just an example so that we know what we are doing to solve this Venn diagram. And most times they talk about subjects or community. That's what they use in explaining this Venn diagram. For instance, you can say in a class of, yes, in a class of 45 students. In a class of 45 students, you can see that I'm using students as example to explain what I'm talking about. I can say 28 offers physics. You can see I'm now using subjects now to explain, to give you question under Venn uh, diagram. And 20 offers, let's say, and 20 offers chemistry. I want to believe everybody is following my explanation. And and 10 offers mathematics. So hope we are all following the way I'm writing uh, the question. Or let's say, let me make it 10 offers neither mathematics, neither, no, wait, I want to make it more difficult. 10 offers neither mathematics, no, wait, offer neither physics, and 10 offer neither physics nor chemistry. And look at the question again. In a class of 45 students, 28 offers physics and 20 offer chemistry, and 10 offer neither physics nor chemistry. Okay. Let's say find the number of students that offer chemistry. Find number of students that offer chemistry, but not physics. I want you to follow me. I'll read it all over again. Just follow me. I want to read the question all over again. I said in a class of 45 students, 28 offers physics and 20 offer chemistry, and 10 offer neither physics nor chemistry. Find the number of students that offer chemistry but not physics. So let's just follow it. It's very simple. I want to solve it now. It's very simple. The first thing you have to draw is your Venn diagram. And your Venn diagram must contain first your box. This is your box. This is your box. Now you write out the parameters you are given. Now they said in a class of 45 students. In a class of 45 students. Meaning that the universal set, either they offer physics or chemistry, it will be from what? From these 45 students. So the universal set is what? The universal set is equal to what? 45. The universal set is what? 45. Let's follow. 28 offer physics. Meaning this is what? A circle. Circle 1. And 20 offer chemistry. Circle 2. Meaning you are going to have 2 circles. Because they are talking about 2 subjects here. So these 2 subjects were distributed among 45 students. Some will take physics, they will not take chemistry. Some will not even take the two. So that's what you want to represent here. So they said 28 offer physics. 28 offer physics. 28 offer physics. You draw your circle. This is physics. And 20 offer chemistry. 20 offer chemistry. This is chemistry. And 10 offer neither physics nor chemistry. Some offered physics and chemistry. 10 students said they are not doing physics and chemistry. From here, we have intersection between physics and chemistry. But they said some students, 10 students to be precise, said they are not doing physics and chemistry. If they are not doing physics and chemistry, it means that they are not in physics, they are also not in chemistry, but they are inside the box. So you can just put the 10 here. So the 10 is outside. So we have interpreted the 10. Then 28 offer physics. So here there is intersection. And when you are solving Venn diagram, you must always start from the center. And you allow that center to be X. The center is what? X. So for me to find physics only, now I have X offering both physics and chemistry. For me to find physics only, because from the question they said 28 offer physics. At times they can say 28 offer physics only. If I say physics only, it means I'll just come here and write 28 only. But here they just said 28 offer physics. It means that there are some students offering both physics and chemistry. So those students offering physics and chemistry with what? S. For me to get physics only, I have to subtract those offering the two from 28, which is the physics. Now, and 20 offer chemistry, the same thing. I have to subtract this x from that 20. So I have 20 minus x. So I've interpreted the whole information here. In a class of 45 students, universal sets, 28 offer physics, not physics only. That is why I didn't come here and write just 28. Even if I put 28, I'll continue again. Physics. And 20 offer chemistry, not chemistry only. So for me to get chemistry only, because let me even add it. The question says find the number of students that offer chemistry but not physics. That's question number 1. 2, number of students that offer physics only. 3, chemistry only. Because they say physics only, it means that person is not doing physics. Sorry, it's not doing chemistry, just only physics. So I've added to those questions now. Now, question number 1. It said find the number of students that offer chemistry but not physics. That is what? Find the number of students, is grammar now. Find the number of students that offer chemistry but not physics. That is what? Chemistry only. I can rephrase the question or paraphrase this and say that find the number of students that offer physics but not chemistry. That is what? Physics only. You can see the way they can paraphrase or what do you call it? Ask question from Venn diagram. So now, once you are able to interpret the old stories, I've already interpreted the word problem. The rule is all the subsets must be added to be equal to the universal set. That is the rule of Venn diagram. All subsets, meaning that what do you have as subsets? Physics, the content of physics plus this, the intersection, the chemistry plus the non-sets, everything added together must be equal to what? 45. So we now have 28 minus x plus x plus 20 minus x plus 10 is equal to 45. That's the meaning of the grammar I'm speaking. That all subsets, these are the subsets, must be added together to give you the universal set. What's the universal set? 45. So we now have this, and note, one will definitely cancel out. Minus s, cancel out plus s. So I have 28 plus 20, that is 48. 48 plus 10, that is 58. So I have 58 minus x is equal to 45. So if you do the simplification, that is collecting the like terms, you can now have x to be equal to 58 minus 45. So x is equal to 13. So it means that 13 students offered both physics and chemistry. So for me to find the number of students that offered chemistry alone, then I'll just know that chemistry alone equation equation is what? 20 minus x. From my explanation, this is chemistry alone. So that is what? 20 minus this x. S is the intersection between physics and chemistry. So you have to remove that one to get those that did only chemistry without physics. So this is now 20 minus, what's our x? 13. So only 7 students offered chemistry alone. If I say physics alone because what? What is physics alone? 28 minus x, and that will be what? 28 minus 13. That is what? 15 students. This is very simple. So you can apply that same principle, the way I've interpreted it, to any question in Venn diagram. If you don't yet understand it, please go over the video again. Watch again. By the time you watch the first time, like I always I've said in my previous videos, I said anything you don't understand, go over it again. The first time, go the second time, the third, and by the time you get to the fifth, the sixth, the seventh time, you are going to get it. That's the rule. That's the rule of assimilation. You may not get it at the first attempt, but by the time you go over it over and over and over, you are going to get it. That's how to become a genius. If you have any topic you are being taught, read it over and over and then it mixes with your subconscious mind. It becomes part and parcel of you. That while you are dreaming, you are thinking about that thing. Genius is not from heaven. It's on this earth that somebody becomes a genius. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. I remain Sir Lumaj. If you have not subscribed and you're watching, go and subscribe. So press that subscription, button now. Press it. You have enjoyed it. So press it. And thank you for those people who have subscribed. Tell others about it. God bless you. Remain blessed.